What's like some of the best comments of people talking shit on you? Like, do you have a couple that stick out?
Yeah, I mean, like, dude, I've had weird comments like, well, this is the kind of guy who waits on the side of the road with a thumb up in the air. Like, just like, it makes no sense though. Or like, a big one that is actually a gift and a curse of that gym comment, by the way, is people will then say, oh, well, you know, he's so skinny, he can't take care of his body. Why would I trust him with a marketing campaign? Well, what people don't get is that marketing is about psychology. Okay, it's words that sell, it's psychology, it's looking at market research. None of that requires me to lift a weight. People don't get that though, because they're not marketers. It's all brain power. Like, I get brain power from being motivated to have my path and purpose. Like, I enjoy having a team of 52 people and traveling and doing podcasts and like being that guy in the space. That stuff motivates me enough.
Yeah.
So it's like a level of genius. Like, Elon Musk doesn't go to the gym. He's just a nerd, and some of us like that, and that's up to our own decisions and what we like. Like, we have to make choices that have consequences, and we live with them.